to Numbakulla Island. This is where you'll begin your next lesson. And I'm here to show you a few of the things you should do to make it go smoothly for you and to help you solve the mystery of the island. The mystery is about where the people who used to live here went to. And you are going to have to go all over the island to try to find out what happened to them and to try to restore the island to its health. To do so, you need to start clicking on a lot of things. For example, you're going to want to click on this podium here. This podium will give you a notebook in which you can record the different things that you find. Actually, they'll be automatically recorded for you, and each of the items you collect will be stored there. For example, if you find a key that'll let you open certain types of houses, it'll be there. And you'll always get pop-up windows like that one on the side to tell you exactly what you need to do or where the information is. Okay, so you know you need to click on this podium. You also want to click on things like this treasure chest behind me, and it will have in it things like the clothing that I'm wearing. You'll also see over here there's a clue lying on the ground. It's a parchment that gives you a letter that tells you some of the history of the island. And then you're going to want to walk through this tunnel here that I'm facing in order to get to other parts of the island. Now, when you look up here at the controls, you'll see that, oops, we can't fly on this island, and that's going to slow you down. So what you need to do is make sure that you use your view tools, like this screen here, in order to go up in the air to get an overview of what's on the island. For example, I'm going up now, and I can see a small blue petal flower village. If I go over more, or perhaps if I twist the screen this way, I'm looking out to the ocean. If I twist the other way, I look into another village, which is where some of the other people who are kind of in conflict with people in the petal village were. And if you go to the opposite side of the petal village, you'll eventually come to a waterfall, and you'll see some wonderful tree houses. And as you climb through the tree houses, you'll eventually get to a stairway that takes you up and up and up until you get to this temple up here, the top. And in that temple, you'll be able to use some of your clues to open up and go down inside this mountain. It is actually hollow, and you'll need to go inside it to be able to solve the mystery. You'll need to go underground into some mines. You'll need to go underwater all around the island to find some other clues. So the point is, you need to click on as many things as possible to find clues, and you need to use your view button arrows in order to see where some of the possibilities you may have missed that you need to explore. For example, as I turn this way right now, I see that there's this ladder that's going up. See if we can get it exactly. Up, 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 until we get to a telescope that will let us explore things on the island. But of course, it's missing a crystal lens. You have to find that in order to make it work. So, you should have fun while you're on the island. You should get used to moving and viewing different things, and hopefully you'll be able to solve some of this great mystery.